This is Mech 23, and we're going to look at the push rods now. So, what are we going to look at as far as push rods go? It's mostly an inspection. So, we're going to look at the tip wear. If we look at I'm going to zoom in here on our push rods. On the tips, right along the edge, right over here, let's get a red pen. Right on this edge, right here, on top and the bottom, you will have a hardened surface. That hardened surface is shiny and smooth like a mirror, like chrome. And so it needs to be nice and smooth. If you find on that, I'm just going to draw the end of a connecting rod there. If you find that there is little flakes at certain points, little flakies that have come off, what you want to do is make sure that you can't catch it with your fingernail. If you can catch it with your fingernail, then you know that that hardened surface is starting to flake off. And when that hardened surface starts to flake off, then you need to replace that. You also need to inspect the other end of where the push rod connects to. Good. So that is tip wear. Body wear is what you're going to find on the body. So if it's bent, then you're going to get some kind of body wear on the edge of the push rod. And the last one you want to look for is straightness. How do we check for straightness? Typically what we could do is we could just take the push rod, lay it on the table and roll it. And if it's bent, you'll be able to see it. It'll be noticeable. Or often they have oil holes that run all the way down the inside and all the way through. And so what you want to do is you want to look through the hole up at a light and see if you can see all the way down. If there's a perfect circle on one end and the other that you can see through, then it's straight.